16-hour plane delays do not happen, should not happen. Someone needs to explain. Joining us in just a bit will be the Managing Director of Go Air, Jay Wadia. But for now, we have with us from Bangalore, the Chief Operating Officer of Air Deccan, Warwick Brady. Good evening, Mr. Brady. And we also have Subhash Goyal, who's Chairman of the STIC Travel Group of Companies, well known in the travel industry. And with us from Delhi, we also have Arpit and Bhavna, Arpit Jain and Bhavna Sharma, who are passengers on that Go Air flight. First to you, Mr. Goyal, as a big player in the travel industry, the 16-hour plane delay seems to reflect what is happening in a sector we're also proud of.
Well, whatever has happened and what I've just seen on the television, I think it's really very unfortunate. And I really feel bad for the passengers who were on that flight. But I think the only silver lining on this is that the MD of Go Air has apologized, and he says we will see that the passengers are compensated. He said two things which I, as a person who's been long enough in the aviation and tourism industry, could make out. One was that the delay was due to fog, and the second, which he mentioned, was that they had to get another set of crew. Now it is very unfortunate for the passengers. I have been stranded on various flights for even longer hours.
Right.
But you know, there is a crew timing, a crew circle in international aviation.
Let's
and according to the world safety standards, if the crew has completed a particular number of hours, and still if they start flying, their licenses can be cancelled, and therefore the crew refuse to fly.
After that's the airline's problem, Mr. Goyal. Mr. Goyal, that is the airline's problem. I mean, these are problems these are rules and regulations
no, I know,
airlines are aware of.
I understand. I understand it's the airline's problem.
Yes.
But what should have happened is better information, better information should have been given passengers.
It's not the first.
See,
it's not.
One doesn't mind if there is a technical fault or there is
Mr. Goyal, you have given the airline standpoint.
Something, weather or anything.
Let's go to the passengers who bore the brunt of it.
If the airline staff try to run away, and if the airline staff try to do not give the passengers, keep them well informed, and say that the delay is for 10 minutes, another 10 minutes, that irritates the passengers.
Right, Mr. Goyal, you made your point.
They cannot make alternative arrangements, they cannot make...
Right, Mr. Goyal, you made your point. Let's go to the passengers who bore the brunt of it.
Rather than keeping the passengers hanging, they should have cancelled the flight and put them on alternative flights or send them back home, so that at least old passengers or passengers with children do not suffer.